Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with Safari open to the image you want. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and Safari can save files. Once the image is visible, tap and hold it. A menu appears. Choose Add to Photos to save directly or pick Save to Files if you prefer organization. You're starting the essential steps now so the image is available in the Photos app, which the system uses to set wallpapers. This saves time and avoids hunting for the file later. You now go to Settings and tap Wallpaper, then add new wallpaper to access your saved image. In Photos, choose the image. You can pick still for no motion or perspective to allow subtle parallax. Pinch to zoom and drag to position the focal point. This matters because the system crops differently for home and lock screens. Once positioned, tap Set and select Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both. Make sure to preview so icons and time remain readable before confirming. After setting, lock and unlock your iPhone to confirm alignment and legibility. If details look blurry, use a higher resolution file or disable perspective, which can slightly blur or crop the image. That often fixes clarity problems. If the wallpaper fails to apply or reverts, restart your iPhone and resave the image in Photos, then repeat the set steps. If you still see issues, check iOS storage and Photos permissions. Correcting those usually resolves stubborn wallpaper errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.